Sporting a hearty 415 horsepower V8 and rear-wheel drive, the Chevrolet SS harks returning to the big sedan, big power formula of yesteryear. It's red-blooded American image-led Chevrolet, so it will be the company's Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series entrant from 2013 throughout the end with the 2017 season. The Camaro replaces it for 2018. While this Ford or Super Sport is inherently old-style, its incredibly balanced chassis and bountiful standard features are thoroughly modern. The Chevy's exterior design is discreet all the time, but a snotty exhaust note plus a 4.5-second sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour lend credence to its sleeper status. Even better, the common 6-speed automatic transmission might be swapped for just a 6-speed manual free of charge. Too bad the SS would be the opposite of fuel efficient and borders on expensive. Still, the Chevy SS can be a seriously underrated sports sedan, plus it leaves the moped duo of Dodge Charger and Chrysler 300 since the only throwback American rear-drive V8 sedans in the marketplace. We're sorry to view the excellent SS chase such a short term. Only the good die young. High's provocative V8 power and sound, precise and balanced chassis, bevy of normal features. Low's lousy fuel economy, gone before it is a pointer, a great deal of scratch for almost any Chevy car not named Camaro or Corvette. Verdict: RIP to some wonderfully well-rounded and woefully underappreciated rear-drive sports sedan. What's new for 2017? The biggest news for 2017 is that this could be the final model year just for this underappreciated Chevy sedan. Despite steady but low volume sales, the Australia-built SS was doomed after GM thought we would end output of its overseas counterpart, the Holden Commodore. First launched in 2014, the NASCAR race car was about the track annually before the production version took sale. The Chevy SS was an updated version from the long-dead Pontiac G8. The SS improved each and every year, adding an optional 6-speed manual transmission free of charge and standard adaptive dampers for 2015. A revised front-end and dual-mode exhaust followed in 2016. Although the Super Sport is unchanged due to the final year, the Ford or sleeper has left a long-lasting impression on those fortunate enough to experience it. Trims and options: we'd choose the SS as poised for being this generation's 94 to 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. We'd save the manual by checking that box but skip the few others extras including a power sunroof $900 and full-size abdominal fat $500. The SS retains a boatload of great standard features, for instance, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking assist, adaptive dampers, Brembo 4-piston brake calipers, and also a dual-mode exhaust, 8.0-inch MyLink touchscreen with navigation as well as a 4G LTE Wi-Fi mobile hotspot, heated and cooled front sport seats with 10-way power adjustment. While 2017 is its swan song, the rear-wheel drive SS rides off to the sunset playing a provocative tune from the old-school pushed V8. And unlike the Hammer-powered Dodge Charger or even the twin-turbo Kia Stinger, the Chevy has an optional manual transmission that permits you to play sweet music, which consists of powerful 6.2-liter small block. Though commemorate a substantial 415 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque, the SS doesn't share its 6.2-liter small block V8 while using 455 horsepower Chevy Camaro or perhaps the 460 horsepower Corvette. Instead, its LS3 engine is usually a generation more than the newer LT1 in those other Chevys. This means the SS misses from some advanced tech and improved efficiency, though the sinister sounds and neck-snapping acceleration by reviewing the V8 are timeless. The SS incorporates a standard dual-mode exhaust that alternates its tones using the drive mode. The quad-tipped pipes crackle and pop at higher revs and sound downright menacing while prowling parking lots. Our latest test car was equipped with all the optional 6-speed manual transmission, which replaces the typical 6-speed automatic free of charge. We were astounded by the automatic version we tested in 2014, However, the paddle-shifted gearbox is less engaging compared to the stick-shift transmission. The manual's gear lever is perfectly placed and delivers short, satisfying throws. Although the SS's light clutch pedal is pleasant in stop-and-go traffic, its long travel and uneven clutch take-up are minor annoyances. The SS is quick as hell and feels like a band of demons. However, its last-generation V8 is compromised by lousy fuel economy. Its CPA estimates are at least 2 miles per gallon under all rivals, as well as the gap increased in your real-world testing. Aside through the Scat Pack-equipped Dodge Charger RT, the Chevy contains the most powerful engine, one of many competitors listed here, but its 14 miles per gallon city and 22 highway EPA ratings for both transmissions are below everything else. Likewise, its performance in the track didn't shade fuel-efficient alternatives such since the Kia Stinger GT as well as the 2018 Infiniti Q50 Redasport 400, which employ turbocharged V6s. Fuel economy ratings compared. We've devised our very own fuel economy test so as to replicate how most of the people drive within the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We conserve a GPS verified 75 miles per hour and employ the cruise control if you can, to mimic the way in which many drivers behave during long trips. The SS retested exceeded its 22 miles per gallon EPA highway estimate by 1 mile per gallon on our fuel loop. However, most of its rivals also beat their estimate and earned at the least 3 miles per gallon more during testing. The Chevy provides the second shortest highway range, too, at about 430 miles per tank.